Hi, Awesome Osprey kindergartners. It's Mrs. St. Andre. I wanted to show you how to make an orange crown for yourself in case you don't have anything to wear for Orange Unity Day. So what you're going to need is a big piece of orange paper. Mrs. St. Andre has that by the door. You're going to need some scissors, some glue, and some crayons, which you can find at a table. You can pick a crayon, but the first thing you're going to do, whoops, no crayons. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to fold your paper. Fold it, and then you're going to push it like this. You're going to put it down on the ground. Let me move the camera so you can see. You're going to push it down on the ground like this. Try to get it even. Smooth, 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 smooth. Smooth your hand over that line. And now it's folded. Okay, if you open it up, you have a nice little line in the middle. The next thing you're going to do is make a zigzag with a crayon. So here's how you make a zigzag line with a crayon. What? My goodness. So in order to make your zigzag line here, when you see your folded line, it makes a nice straight line. So over on one side, you'll take your crayon and you'll zigzag up and zigzag down back to the line. Then you'll do a bottom zigzag and back up to the line. Then you'll do a top, back down to that line, and keep going until you've finished the whole paper. Oh. Now that you have a good zigzag line on your orange paper, it's time to cut. Here you go. And you have two big pieces. Now you have your two big pieces of paper. You're going to be doing a matchup. You're going to put glue on one side, on one edge of the point. You don't want to do the glue on the entire crown, because if you do, you'll get glue in your hair. Nobody likes that. So you want to put some glue on the big point right here. Glue, glue, glue. Glue, glue. Glue, 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 glue. And right where you covered that glue, you're going to cover it up with the other side of your crown. So now you have a good long crown. And you can decorate it. All right, and now that we have our decorated crown, now we just need to fix it to our head. So you want to wrap it around your head a little bit like this until you can get your size. Then pick it up, and where it overlaps is where you're going to need that glue. So you might want to make a mark with a crayon to see where that line is. And even though I decorated, I'm going to be gluing all of this part. Put it together. And ta-da! Now I have a No Bully Unity crown to wear for Orange Day. Have an awesome Osprey day. Osprey, lead the way.